N8N review, full beginner's guide 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk about N8N. So let's know what is N8N. So it's a low-code or no-code automation tool, nodes linked with Lego blocks, built on Node.js, enabling you to automate tasks via triggers, webhooks, or schedules, and open source and can be self-hosted or used via N8N Cloud, offering full control and scalability. So the core features are visual workflow builder like drag and drop connect nodes, test node, output instantly, support JavaScript or Python code, and 400 plus integrations like native support for apps like Google Sheet, Slack, Airtable, and fallback HTTP requests for custom APIs. And powerful workflow control includes loops, conditionals, merges, error handling, and partial re-execution for last debugging. And AI and LLM agents like built multi-step intelligent agents integrated with LLMs like OpenAI templates make complex automations accessible, and community and templates wise over 1500 community workflows and active forums or Discord for support and collaboration. So your first workflow, you have to just install and sign up and then create a workflow, add nodes, test and debug, and then activate and monitor. So the pros are it is open source and self-hostable, full control and privacy, and rich integrations and custom code support and advanced debugging and partial execution. LLM agents enable AI automation, and the console setup may be complex for non-technical users. UI and terminology nodes credentials are more technical. Community supports preferred over enterprise level service, and overkill for basic workflows like social media posting. So who should use N8N? So technical users or dev teams wanting robust, customizable automations, small to mid businesses needing privacy and integration and flexibility, AI or LLM innovators building intelligent multi-step workflows, cost conscious team, free self-hosted version or cloud from $25 per month. And N8N is a game changer for technical users, powerful, flexible, and extensible. It's ideal for those comfortable with a slightly steeper learning curve and seeking full control. For simple automations, tools like Make or Zapier may be easier, but N8N scales far beyond basic. Want help setting up your first agent? You can use N8N. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.